What's up, everyone? Welcome to Lifestyle Healthy Living. Here's one of my favorite foods, sweet potato wedges. First thing, preheat your oven to 415. In this video, I'm using 2 regular-sized sweet potatoes, but for more servings, use more potatoes. Now I peel the sweet potatoes and then cut them into wedges. After cutting them into wedges, I sometimes coat them with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil. 90% of the time, I use water instead of oils because I try to keep saturated fats to a minimum. Now that I have all the wedges coated with water or coconut oil, it's time to place them on a baking sheet with baking paper. After I place them on the baking sheet, I sprinkle cinnamon on both sides of the wedges. Now, it's time to place them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I normally go 35 minutes because I love the crispy golden brown edges. Now, the potato wedges are done. It's time to serve them. These are so good and healthy. Enjoy. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. LHLclub.com.